Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Fast and free shipping. All you got to do is click link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you that fast. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody's staying home, staying safe, all that good stuff. We got Monday ahead of us coming up. Today is Sunday Fun Day. We have here got something interesting. Oh boy, what could it be? What could it be? Oh boy, here we go. This is a lawn fence stone effect edging. Still nice out, so definitely gonna set it up outside and show you how it looks in this video. So might want to grab some popcorn or some pizza. Whoa, almost cut my fingers off. And check these guys out. And let's see how they look. Definitely curious too. Sometimes a picture doesn't do its justice. Sometimes you need video proof. Oh. Dang. Good job taping it. Oh, super strong tape. There we go. Alright. Probably opened it the wrong way. Yep. It's one of those days. Oh boy. Well, these are pretty cool. I think these are like connect. You link them up. Yeah, so you slide it. You slide it in. Yeah. Just slide it in. Bam. This could be cool. You could do like props for like backyard wrestling. I know a lot of people are doing that now with what's going on in the world. So you guys could set this up like a coffin match type deal. Halloween decorations you could have. Pretty flexible. So I mean, when you get them in the ground, take a little hammer, soft one, because it is, you know. But just be careful when you install it. But it should be easy. Just pop it in. So we get, wow, you get a lot of this. That's pretty cool. I didn't think it was gonna be like this, but this is easy. Anyone can do it. Especially now, since a lot of us are staying home. Work on your garden more. This would be perfect for keeping those strange animals out from outside, like those possums and whatnot. We get a lot of possums out here. Some weird looking animals, but all you gotta do, boom. Yeah, this is nice, guys. Really surprised how these turn out. Yeah, you can do Halloween props. Maybe cosplay at home. For your yard. There we go. Oh yeah, you could connect them all together because there's multiple of these. I think they got other options too, so you might want to take a look and see what they have available too. I think they got, this is a 10-piece. They got like the 30-piece, not chicken nuggets, but ooh, that sounds good right now. But these right there, this is cool. And then I have it like that. Make it on the ground. So there it goes. Yeah, see? It's pretty long. And then you still got all these to add on. So really simple to use. We're going to hop in the backyard to teleport in 3, 2. Alrighty, guys. Got them installed right down here. It's pretty sunny out right there. Now I could buy more and then finish this whole backyard with them. Might do that, but for right now, these are pretty good. And then I'll show you the others Here we go. We are down here. Right around there. That's what they look like. There's above, lower down. Pretty cool. Definitely check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get them at a low cost and be safe. Have a good night.